up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vette channel. Today we have Carrie's Corvette in the garage because a part showed up that she needed, and we got Chad the mechanic down here. He's helping out. He's like, hey, I'll do it. So Carrie's actually going to be surprised to know that her starter is on her car when she gets here. You want to tell them something? What do you got to tell them? I love you. Do you like my bike?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get back to it. So, first things first, when you're going to pull out the starter on your car, you need to disconnect your battery. So that's what I'm working on here. Keep in mind that he's actually already under the car going, so I'm going to just take this off super fast. Because me, I'm the paranoid safety guy. OSHA, kind of. Hey, maybe you should hire me, OSHA. Just kidding. I don't want to do that. Anyhow, Audi here, he knows the first thing that we did, which, what was that? Okay, he doesn't want to tell you. First thing we did is we set the e-brake, put it in park, and then we chalked up the wheel. So we also chalked up this wheel. Because honestly, I am a little paranoid. So, then you have to jack up your car. To do so, we have two jack stands, one here and one there. Okay, we're pointing at the opposite ones, but and then we have the jack in the middle. And you can see Chad down there doing the work. Now let's get into what kind of tools you're going to need. So to take your battery off, you're going to need yourself an 8mm wrench or socket. To get the actual bolts from your starter, you need a 9/16, I think is what it was.
Yep.
A 9/16 bolt or socket. And then what is this half you're using for?
To get the battery cable off.
Taking the back, so the battery cable is half, and the bolts that hold the starter in are 9/16. So let's get up under here with them and check it out. Show you guys where these bolts are.
Alright, so up here under the driver's side, you're gonna go all the way past this cap, and bam, there's your starter.
Yep, and the battery cables just came off there.
So there's your battery cables.
And you got your two starter bolts here and here. Two starter bolts here and here. And your battery cables. And then you're gonna need a real tiny wrench. Probably tiny. Smaller than this. Smaller than a 7. Yep, perfect. Look at that.
So we're working on the negative bolt, and it's a 7mm.
Which is actually quite small for a negative ground cable.
You can see my nice little wire job I did. With some good old electrical tape.
Yes, sir. But once we get this starter off, we're slap on the new one and she'll start right up.
I'll run inside and grab that new one real quick.
Alright.
Alright, so we got tranny lines in the way. We gotta wiggle this out. So,
yeah, this is gonna be a chore.
That's gonna be hard.
Let me need your help.
Hey, but you're a car expert.
I'm not no car expert.
sadly, we can't really take it through the top either because the manifold's right there.
Right.
So literally the best way is just trying to get these trans lines
Out of the way.
out of the way just enough to get them. Slip this guy through just like so.
There it is.
And it literally is not going to hurt your transmission line.
No,
Trust me.
as long as you don't bend them. Yep, you'll be fine.
And now we can put the new one in. But let's go do a little comparison.
There we go. We have the old one and the new one.
Huh?
Huh?
The new one and the old one.
I know, I'm just making sure they're paying attention. So, I mean, I don't know. Nothing really special to see here. This is kind of a neat little cover, though. Maybe,
It on there.
I don't know, just a ground. Maybe part of this is. I don't know.
Well, this is what-
I don't know what.
That one's
This is
like,
power going to
this
it.
is the coil, and this is what, and this is where all the electricity goes through and
And then
engages
goes
this.
in. Gotcha. See, glad we got Chad the mechanic telling us the starter. So, you guys seen how I took it out? And really the same process of putting it back in is the same.
Yep.
We got a nice new little nut here instead of that old crusty one. Oh yeah, and I didn't even notice this one too. So we got rid of 2 crusty nuts and we got 2 better nuts.
Yep.
So let's go ahead and install those.
Get on our way.
And way to go, Chad.
Shabam, shabam, shabam.
And just like that, Chad's got the new starter in. Same process, you just put your 2 bolts in and then put down your wires. You put your ground wire and your power wire. And then once he's all clear and he's got all the stuff out of there, we can go ahead and begin the process of dropping her down. And then we'll reconnect the battery with an 8mm. They missed their shift. Oops. And then her car is almost ready. We're still waiting on a belt because she accidentally bought a ZR1 belt for her car and it's not a ZR1. Sadly, that'd be pretty badass if it was. Anyhow, if you guys found this video useful, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment down below. Give Chad a big shout out because he did 99% of the work. I did the 1% of taking the battery and helping jack it up. Anyhow, don't forget to click that red subscribe button and we'll catch you in the next video. Deuces. Video, but real quick, we're already in it and she's running. Started right on up, so thank you guys for watching again. We will catch you in the next one.